Okay, uh, welcome back to Risk of Rain 2. Uh, I said that I would do one more run. That was weeks ago at this point, and I figured I might as well do it. I have played a few runs on my own, but I don't know. I just didn't want to record. I gotta be able to separate work from my free time. Also, work in quotes. I should mention that. Also, I have a blister in my mouth, so if I slur my words a little bit, that's why. Kind of hurts when I talk. Um, I think I'm gonna do Mercenary. On those runs that I did on my own, I was having fun with him, so... Oh, I just gotta keep sitting. Okay, never mind. Sucks to suck. I love this game. Alright. Let's instead do an Acrid run. Little poison dog. I think he's my favorite character out of all of them. Wake up. Okay. Acrid Steel is poison. Acrid is super fucking strong. His poison can get any enemy down to 1 health in just a few seconds. I think his third normal hit like heals you or something. His little slash. Yeah, it does. I need to move quickly this time. I can't have another situation where you just get hoarded by all the enemies. I would also like it if I had some items. The only downside to Acrid is that his poison can't kill it. It can only get down to 1 health. Which is a good thing, honestly, just because the only thing you need to kind of counter that is like bleed or some sort of on-kill effect. Just kill one enemy while everyone is low and then just like a massive genocide. I don't know if I can say that too, but that it is what it is. I'll get 1 drum. Acrid is really good at taking out big hordes of enemies relatively quickly, just because the poison does take some time. And yeah, I know you can like sprint cancel to attack faster and whatever, but I don't know how to do that. Where's the teleporter? Is it all the way up? It is all the way up there. Okay. Let's see. No, there's a chest out here. Now we just take that little bounce pad up. It didn't look like I missed anything, so I'm just gonna go for it. Yeah, it looks fine. Whatever. I do want to get that one little chest. Too far. That's stupid, but okay. That beetle's going for my little job. Yeah, see, they just kind of stay at 1 health. You can see right there. But again, like, 1 health, 1 hide. Amazing at this game. That would have been very helpful earlier. Wondering vagrant, not the best. But with this poison, you literally just have to leave the vagrant alone. Make sure it's poisoned, and you'll be fine. That's just so satisfying hearing everything get hit. Look at that. Now they're all just 1 health. Am I hitting him? I don't think I'm hitting it. I wasn't even hitting it. Wow. I also need to make sure. Hit it. No. Perfect. I just need to get rid of all these wisps, and I should be fine. I missed. The tree got in the way. That's so dumb. There we go. Maybe I'll go back for the other drone. Yeah, I think I will. Just to be like extra safe. No, I won't. It's too far. I lied. Weep. Oh, I wanted to fall in the board. Abandoned Aqueduct. One of my favorite areas in the game. I know it's like, it's kind of boring, but I really like it. I missed. Venom? Okay. Okay. There's a button there. I don't think I can get it though. There are no pots around. Basically, there are 2 buttons around. You can put little items on them. They open up that gate right there. Gives you 2 free items, but you can't always do it. Ooh, that's pretty good. You died. Oh, that was enough. That's also really good. Get a bunch of them down to low health. 1-hit them. Lots of heals for me. Acrid is just so much fun. Look at that. Took like 2 seconds to get them all down to 1 health. He is a pretty, I wouldn't say easy character. Because you have to manage all of his, you have to manage all of his cooldowns if you want to keep the poison up. But the poison does last for a while, so that's good. Teleporter is over there. Oh, nice. But you really want on-hit effects with Acrid, just so that way you can actually kill them with the poison sometimes. Like if you get bleed, that is the dream combo with Acrid. Can I hit you? I missed. Nice. I really like that the meat is just put in his mouth. That's adorable. Let's see. Any more chests that I can get? Before I hit the teleporter? Oh, mountain. This is a stupid idea and it'll get me killed, but sure. Always gotta hit it. Be a man. That was a crit. Wow. Lepton Daisy, okay. I'll take it. Another focus crystal. Yeah, I'll take it. Oh my god, look at all those. Let's just avoid that. That's very dangerous. May not look like it, but it is. Actually. And it's spread. Nice. Hit all of them. And oh, I thought they were healing. Nerd. Alright, last chest, and then I'll go teleporter. Finally, speed. I guess I'm. Oop. I guess I got this. Oh, that's really good. Okay. I'm glad I got it. Now I'll go to the teleporter. Oh, please. Please. Nice. It would have been in range anyway, so whatever. I should poison. There are 3 of them. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm feeling it now, Mr. Krabs. Nope. No. Run. Run, Acrid. Run. I just need heals. Just stand back and poison them. It's the only thing I can do right now. That one is low. I might be able to one-hit that one. Where's my joke? Kill me. What? I need all these orbs. I just need to kill you as fast as I can. One of them died? One of them died. Nice. Poison them. All the orbs. Collect. Thank you. That one's dead. Cool. One left. I should be able to handle this. Nice. Oh, that was really close right there. A guitar. Oh, that's amazing. I don't know if the Thank you. I don't know if the polydactyl guitar is better or not. Oh, I got a mired urn. Perfect. If I can get more of them, that's great. But if not, it's fine. I don't really have to worry about the health now, though. Yeah. What did I get? When did I get a shield generator? I don't remember picking that up. Oh well. Doesn't look like there's any more chests. Nice. Let me go. There we go. What? Okay, that was weird. I need to learn how to edit my videos. I feel like most of my videos will be fine just being uploaded unedited, but I do want to know how to edit them just in case like there's a long video that I made. Missed. Nice. Oh, not nice. Heal me. You know what I need? I need the antlers. Rejuvenation rack. I think that's what it's called. They give me double health. Wow, that did a lot. I missed. There we go. Nice, nice. This is going decently. Bleed, that's perfect. Exactly what you want as Acrid. Teleporters over there. I'll collect like just a few more items. See if there's any Trend of the Mountains. Even though I almost died last stage. Can I make this? I feel like I can. I can, nice. Ooh. Oh. That's good too, I guess. Yeah, that's actually pretty good. Overheals are shields. Perfect. Especially with Mire Rune. Mire Rune and the Monster Tooth necklace always dropping orbs. It's actually kind of a decent combo. Ooh, back of Meg is good. Got a damage chest and we got that. That should be enough. Ooh, crowbar. Nice. Boss killer, yes. Let's see, where's the teleporter? There it is. Chest. Another Liu? It's really good. This run is shaping up to be pretty decent. I just need to not get overzealous. I missed. I love that kill. That was such a quick kill, but I'm also almost dead. Give and take. Ooh, healing chest. Look at that one. So the next time that I play this Rain, which will definitely be, there will be another video because I love this game. I'm going to be using mods, so it'll be a bit different to say the least. I mean, I've already unlocked everything in this game. I've done everything it's had to offer, so might as well just have some fun with the mods. Die. Is there anything I need to scrap? Maybe the shield generator. But what if I get the shrimp? I'll scrap the shield generator. But I think that's it. I want to keep the roll of pennies. Just because it is extra money. Let's get this and let's get out of here. Sundered Grove. Yippee. The is this oh cool. Spend next to the chest, nice. The absolute totally 100% best stage in the game. Totally. Gup. Gup, my beloved. Gup, my beloved. Gup Gipping Heap. Gup Geeping Gip? I don't know. It's one of those orders. I love this little guy. Perfect. I love just seeing the thunder or the lightning just come down and smite them. Wow, I went high. This is like what? 1k 14 okay, well 3.5k, okay. Ooh, that's good. Look at all the V-Bucks. Ukulele is so perfect for Acrid. I am a powerhouse right now. But, oh my god, my health. Powerhouse. I'm a glass cannon. That's what I am. Die. Please die. Please, for the love of God. No, not me! I'd rather do this. Oh, okay, never mind. Okay, we're good. We're okay. Where's my drone? Not now, God. I need heals. I need some sort of thank you. Okay, I'm back to full health, I'm fine. I should be. But like, so is that urn, or whatever it's called. The mini-boss. What is burning me? Where'd he go? I can hear him. Forty cell over there, I'll get that. I can hear him. Where is he? There you are. There we go, finally. Don't have to worry about that anymore. Oh, I can get the chest. Die. Rejuvenac. Oh, that's really good too. I missed. Acrid plus the sacrificial dagger is amazing. Acrid with a lot of stuff is amazing. Acrid is just OP, honestly. That is good, yes. Why do I go so high? Let's get these real quick. Hit the boss and then I'll explore after. I don't want it to get too dangerous. Very cool, very cool. I need to make sure to watch out for that. Please. Thank you. Shipping form is fine, I guess. God, I love all the numbers on the screen. That's how you know you're winning in Risk of Rain. All my daggers just flying around. Those aren't that bad, actually. Ow. Bit my blister. god, that sucked. You need to die. Thank you. The only good thing about the Sundered Grove is that it's a lot of those little meatball things. Little buggy bugs. They're easy to kill, so free health for me. Speaking of free health, look at me. Barrier, oh my god, I didn't even realize that. Okay, there was a little market over here, if I'm not mistaken. All the way over there. Oh no, it was a little mushroom, that's right, that's right. Oh well, I'm already over here. Might as well explore. Looks like it's just this chest. I mean, it's fine. I'm pretty stacked already. Oh, that's good. I like that. All right. This run is already going. There's a chest right there. I'm done. This run is already going better than the first one. And a lot of the ones that I played on my own, actually. Loser. I don't want to go fight Mithrix. I just know I'm gonna die. Maybe I should fight him in that case. Nice. But is it that one? It is that one. Okay. I might just obliterate. It's boring, but I don't know. It's more fun. It's boring and it's more fun at the same time. It's like you get to just see how strong you can get. This is already a 30-minute run, basically. Yeah, I really gotta learn how to edit videos. Just to cut down on all of this. Or who knows, maybe I'll die. You know? Ouch. Just run around. Lepton Daisy, maybe. I missed all of them. Such overkill. Myrderm is really good for my barrier. My shield? What is it called? The Aegis. Aegis. Bronze on needs to die. There we go. Give this. Gimme. Ooh, that's actually really good. I don't want to take too long. Nah. My healing is fine right now. It's actually really good. I do want to kill this grandparent though. Missed. You bitch. Yeah. This is a stupid idea. I should not be here. I say as I'm out healing him. Run, please. Are you kidding me? Yeah, I was crushed. That was on me. That was 100% on me. Oh my god. Well, I guess that's the end. Yeah.